Hi, this is Manny with Manny's Heating and Air Conditioning. Today we're in Silver Lake starting a new project. Check it out.
Hi, my name is Lyndon. I own a house that was built in 1917. We had them here to look at our old furnace. It was really honest, really straightforward. My husband and I decided we're gonna get heating and air, and we're very excited that we found Manny's Heating and Air Conditioning, and we're looking forward to being comfortable all year round.
This is Andrew, one of our foremen here at the job. He's going to be showing you the process on the installation of this high efficiency HVAC system.
Doing one of these new cut-ins and continuing today. We got a lot of framing to do, a lot of dirt to scarb, move out the way, and putting a new fan coil in. Let's go inside, check it out. A lot of times people don't know what's going on these processes, so we try to explain. I try to explain as much as possible and let the guys do the same as well. Right now we have our guys Victor and Dimitri outside building the plenums, so we're getting it basically ready to be installed. So Jesus right next to me is also is finishing up this drain pan. So we're strapping and stabilizing these drain pans to make sure that there's nothing moving at the point of install. These plenums 25 by 36 inches, and when we do run these ducts that's going to be transporting this heat and cooling, we are going to make sure that they are visibly seen, but also to make sure that they're visibly out the way. So we want to make sure everything's tucked, make sure everything's stabilized every 4 or 3 feet, and make sure that there's no rattling throughout the vents. So we are going to have a longer return where he's going to be located on the other side where Jesus is. So we're going to make sure that everything stays intact and try to get it done today. We just floor vents installed already and make sure that we have no leaks. That way all the air comes into the home and we're not leaking any air. So we got some putty with some pookie. This is one of our largest rooms, our living room area where usually everybody spends their time. So we hit them with a 12/6 on an 8-inch round.
Thank you. Thank you. I bow down. We're very, very happy that we're having this done, and we trust Manny's professionalism, workmanship. Everything's been very easy.
And it's so exciting that we're working on a house that's over 100 years old and we're putting centralized, modernized system. That is great.
We're looking forward to being comfortable in our home.
Well, thank you for trusting us. I appreciate that.
Oh, it's our pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.